A joystick equal. Bad pricing. These are Giga Techno 602 players, rare as anything. I'm going to try probably most of these. Right, that has the wrong music. I'm guessing these will probably all have the wrong music, but we'll find out. Oh well, Cabinet is a nice example, and these won't be the only Giga Technos I find either, so it isn't the end of the world if they're not a prime example. The rigging's actually alright, you know. Oh, I hate shit. Bugger. Yeah, it's quite a wide opening floor. Yeah, I'll accept it. I'll accept this rigging level. Going to skip across a few and play this one over here. Oh, rejected. This one doesn't look to be accepting coins. Oh, never mind, tell a lie. No music though. So yeah, I don't think these are going to be the best example of Giga Technos, but I'm still happy to be playing them. Yeah, pretty weak. Because it's got a big floor, it doesn't really help. Yeah, that is nothing more than tickling the prize there. Yeah, just instant replay, just waste away that go. Let's try this one next to it. Yeah, this one has the wrong music as well, so it's not the end of the world. I'm guessing they just kind of supplied them like this. Basically just normal Gigas with a nicer cabinet then. The lights are really cool. Blue flashing lights, they work well as well. I don't know if they're any more or less reliable than the normal Intelli lights, but they certainly look cooler. Ooh. That was good rigging. Yeah, at least they have them well set. Yeah. Yeah, I guess the only one I haven't tried is this one. 20p and see what the music and rigging is like, and it is the standard Intelli music, which is a bit of a shame, but it is what it is. I'll put a quid in that. These ones are rigging alright. Try again. Posh pause, weird push. Ooh, maybe get the price sheet there. Good rigging. Very nice to find. football crane. It's definitely a Palkai gantry. Ooh, that's a decent rigging actually. Yeah, definitely Palkai. Sorry, instance PCB. You can hear it making instance noises. Kind of slides around. God, that's sensitive. Yeah, you can tell it's an instance PCB. Ooh. I don't think it has sensors though. I don't think they've actually fit sensors to it. Oh, I'm hearing sick adverts in the background. Let's play something else. They've got some fun zones over here. I like the fun zone attract and the gameplay. I think I might actually give them a couple of goes. Just because why not? It's nice being able to actually hear the music on these. That's actually not too bad. I mean, I don't like these machines too much, but it depends how good the rigging is, if it's impresses me or not, which it's not. This one ain't great, but I don't know, it's a joystick machine, so kind of uncommon. I like that loose sound, it's quite funny. Yeah, I don't know, they're kind of odd machines. I don't even know who makes the PCBs. Oh, I can hear some Peppa Pig music. Yeah, I'll try the MCU one next to it. Bit of a steamy patch on this machine, it's a bit disgusting, but what can you do? I don't know if that's a good grab. Oh, it is. Come on, pay out. Oh, that is good rigging. Okay, nice. Okay, we might actually have a chance with this, you know. Depends. So they're not very advanced machines. It's kind of having an instance automatics moment in the opening all the way though, so I'm not entirely convinced. I would like to try and get it stuck in the heart, but it's not in a good position for that. Yeah, I kind of tried there, but it just didn't work out. I will give this to my lovely non-existent girlfriend. Come on. That is good rigging though. Oh, come on. That was close. Kinda want to give that another try. Got a 20p coin here, we can give it one more. Coast to coast. There's a lot of Palkai machines here. I think I'll have to try some of those next. Because this just isn't great. It is closing all the way. Do you know what? I will put one more pound in this. I want to move it back, and then I want to get it in a good grab. Because I think it'd be a funny push to win anyway. It's still opening all the way. It kind of closed all the way the other time, but I thought that was a glimmer of hope maybe. But no, it's still very spengy. The The double tap has like a massive delay. There we go, that's in a better position now. Yeah, apologies if there's a bit of flicker, by the way, I've just noticed that now. I will try and move away from this machine. Ooh. Not necessarily a back grab. Yeah, it just will. It looked like I had a low drop height there just because of how low down it was. I had to bring the floor up quite far. Just want to try and get it stuck in the heart. Yeah. Right, okay. This is my last try. I want to hit the shoots. Right, okay. Yeah. Well, we'll move on to better things. Because rubbish joystick as is standard on powered by machines these days. Also Intelli claw mechanism, I don't know about that. Ah, that's not very good. Oh, I don't like these joysticks. What a great ride. Oh, come on. Oh, that's good rigging. Payouts are required. Peppa Pig.
Go on, have a go.
Yeah, I'm sure Alfie will. Not me today though, Peppa. Ooh. Yeah, it has decent rigging. Can't fault it. It's a good arcade. Oh, I hit the... yeah, that was my fault. Yeah, I think I'm going to move on though. Yeah, we've kind of exhausted what's here at TaylorMade Fun. Now, so many of these max grabs have these weird buttons. I'm going to play some. They all have these Pac-Man sounds, which is kind of cool. Looks like they've been sort of reconditioned or something. They must have bought them fairly expensively. Yeah. Okay, that's in a better position now. Yeah. It's cool how they customise the sound. I don't know, I kind of prefer the normal max grab sound, but it is just cool that they're showing off a feature. Yeah, not the best rigging. They're selling all their plush here as well for like cash prices. Oh, come on. Close to the rare 3 players of these sort of max grab Mark IIs, I think. All been customised. Giant prizes. Oh my gosh, that claw swings. Holy shit, that's a lot of drift. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about the drift. This floor's too small. Yeah, the Pac-Man music does work, I kind of like it. Maybe I'm warming up to it. Let's try one that isn't bloody impossible here. Bro. Come on. Ooh. That was a very good rig actually. Could be it. Yeah, it's rigging well. Come on. I don't know if that's gettable now though because of the drift. Could be possible. Don't know about that now. Ladies and gentlemen, not only is it an amazing condition ECLAW Mark 1, and not only does it have different music, the better music, the superior music, but it also has Peppa Pig plush. Now Felix, I know you're probably very excited over this right now. Oh, it's epic. First time playing one of these machines, by the way, with this music. Oh, it's so amazing. And the gantry lights and this is the quintessential ECLAW experience. It really doesn't get much better. I wish it was louder though. That would actually make it better, to be fair. It's teaser. We're going to instant replay. Very, very happy. Delighted to be playing this machine right here. It's just such a nice condition example. Better. It's hard to grab those. So how come it has a trap music but no gameplay music? Sorry. Yeah, just blocking the way here, my fat arse. Come on. Right. I think it does have it really quietly. It is a shame. Kind of want to spang replay. Yeah, back grab. Full reposition. Amazing. That's the claw's a bit small, but there you go, that one's doing it to track now. Last play. That button only lit up for like a second there. We'll just ignore that. It's not very strong. Not strong, but it's the experience that matters. Try for a lighter push. I kind of stopped there. This one has a dodgy light too. I think there's a loose connection. Sensitive button switch, I guess. I think it uses the weight cell possibly to monitor. Come on, spin right, there we go. Yeah, its claw's too big. And it's the small solenoid. Come on. That was nearly a nat shoot then. Yeah, this one's rigging well. These are just the better versions of ECLAW. Come on, I need to get stuck. Ooh. Yeah. Could have actually instant replay. Bad grab. Gonna try the one that's more open. We did the attract really often. Come on. Sense. Winner's cube on 50p ago. Definitely going to play it. That was me being an idiot because it moves quite slow. Good music volume. Someone's, it looks like someone may have won that one and it's not moved. I think that ripped. Wow. That was me being bad again. Difficult game. Rigged yet. I think I've got a feel for it now. I think I'll put one more in just to have a couple more rogue attempts. I will. Rigged, yeah. Yes, I got the feel for it now. Rigged, yeah. One more. Try the top. Don't know about that one. Oh god. Terrible. Rigged, yeah. Worth a try. Really like this machine. Yes, they have instants. It's like impossible. But open all the way, imagine. Turn one, that would be epic. That could be it. Oh, it's like a tiny claw. Well, it's suffice to say they broke this topper anyway. the normal max grab. Come on. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I just guess I played it to document it, but I genuinely think it's a very difficult machine because of how fast it is and the claw it has and stuff. But yeah, it's very... I've even got the similar gantries that they had on the Enterprise. It's sort of crammed in here, but I'm going to play this pink marker on it. It's interesting. It's got the white cable. Quite thin. Terrible. Yeah, that's a weak machine. It's cool though, pretty rare. Here's another bloody instant automatic weird creation. It's definitely meant to be a single player. 3 for a quid again. Not good. Very, very weird. Complete stab. As expected. But yeah, that is just so strange. Why is there a single player? I've got the smaller control panel as well. The only way to grab it is like that. And it's weak. That's just amazing, isn't it? I want to try and get it stuck in the donut on this one. Well, it's not a donut, but you know what I mean? It's like a cool float, isn't it? Nope, not a chance. That is so weird though. And rare. Max grab. Single player, 600, I'm going to quote it, because that's the size standard that ECLAWS uses, but I don't know what they would have called this. For the X1, I guess. Oh, 3 for a quid, that's not good. Slow gantry. Not good. I've said to this arcade's not the greatest. Let's just appreciate this claw to plush ratio size. Yeah. This is what I want to see more of. A joystick ECLAWS. Bad pricing. This is a new experience for me as well, playing an ECLAWS with a joystick. Quite rare. Try. The way it kind of controls is strange. They are nice joysticks though.
What you got out of there? They're all one-eyed really, don't we, over there? Press the button now. Press. 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 Oh man.
That is cool.
Look at that. Man going. One more go then, just because I want to win the match.
Thank you.
Right, come on then, do it. This way. No, this way. Push it forward.
with the joystick rather than the buttons. Especially when the joystick is nice and precise.
Let's go then.
Contender for worst arcade in Scarborough is Coney Island, not because the machines are bad, but no filming policy. We know our feelings on that one. Yeah, not good. We're going to Olympia now though, which is over here, very large arcade. Play this big one because it's 30p. 3 for a quid again, but this seems to be how they all are here. It's very weird. You know what, I'm actually going to try a smaller lunch just because, well, it has to be more possible.
Right, yeah.
Kind of stabbed everything, but oh, I like to scoop it, imagine. I'll have to try that one again. I just didn't get a positioning right.
Right, yeah.
Get it, you know. Oh. Yeah, a little walk around Olympia, why not? Very big place, lots of machines. Lots of machines. Not just claws. This upstairs section too. There is a star catcher. I've seen a star catcher that appears to be broken. I'm hoping the other one's up here. I haven't seen the other one down here yet. But we'll be sure to find out. Gonna get copyright striked here. It's all in good reason. Ah, rigged. Don't particularly want a Batman logo light anyway, but I don't know what that is. World-class hardware. There's a camera. Okay. I'll have a look. Oh, that might be ready. I mean, this boom thing just looks terrible, but it's better than nothing. I was just looking to get a win at this point. Don't know about that. It is a hard game, Balloon Buster. Oh, that ripped, yeah. Epic barber cut a track over there. I did the same thing again. Oh, I hate it. It's very suspenseful. It makes you wait for this thing to get down. The belt's really slow. So when it's like in position that I'm in now, I don't know if it's ready to pay out. It's like, come on, hurry up. Don't know. Lol, surprise. Direct. See, I can tell on these rows. It's just hard on the other ones. You have to try for the sticks thing. Direct, yeah. Well, it's always worth checking all the holes. So I don't really know how the payouts work on this machine. I'm not forgetting my count. Oh, but worth a shot. Ah, rigged. Do you know what? Go going back to the claw machines. It's got to be said, I think it's the place that has the most bloody Palkai tickety boos in the world. It's a shame this is turned off. I'm looking for the other one of these. I'm guessing it's on this floor. Well, I've resorted to the UDC branded ECLAWS. Kind of nice though. And the claw's got a UDC sticker as well. Close. That's in the wind-up thing, huh? Wouldn't it be cool if it could get stuck in that? I bet it can't.
Hello, it's me in a caravan with a lovely view, and it's nice. Yeah, just thought I would say no star catchers were found in Olympia, which is very upsetting as I wanted to play the infamous weak star catchers. However, because this is the end of the video, there's no wins, I'm just going to include some footage from on-site here at Primrose Valley with the amazing overpaying moving castle. So, yeah, enjoy that.
Right. Still rigging. Yes. This one with its coin neck. Oh, there we go, you have to put it in lightly.